Here it is, guys. This is the new project. It is a VL Executive 1988 model. I am pretty certain it is an 88. It says it just there. February 88. So the plan is we are going to pull that motor out. That's going to happen probably in this video. So we can shape the engine bay, and we're going to do a factory low mount. I think that's what we're going to run with. We're going to pull the motor out, have a good look at it, and do the head gasket and studs, and shave the engine bay. So when I picked the car up, the whole interior was pulled apart. So as I got the car, got it home, realised everything's pulled apart. So what did I do? Spent the next couple of days putting it back together and making it look awesome. I've now put it all back together. Some crap laying everywhere, but it's back together, looking pretty good. I bought some of that dash paint so I can touch up the glove box. Probably gonna put a new one of these on because it's cracked over on that side. And you have to really get all these parts and stuff out of the car, clean it all up. I had a new set of locks because the person that had this decided to put a barrel in, and there's the key for the doors. So I went and got a whole lock set, so I have one key for the whole car. That's another drama. Got lots of little things coming for the dash. We were missing an ashtray out of there, missing a handle. Other than that, the car is pretty complete. I do have the bonnet, I've just taken it off. It's going to make life easy. So yeah, there's a little tiny bit of rust in the back window, which is going to be fixed. Not as bad as mine was. So this car's actually very straight, pretty good for its age. Little bit of rust, it's not too bad. Gonna have to repair that, but you get that on the big jobs. So if you follow my channel, you're gonna see it go from this to like the purple one over the space of about, I don't know, 12 months or so. What are you doing?
Just fucking lift it.
Lift it up, you reckon? Well, we're almost ready. Almost.
Bunnings rated, bro. Bunnings.
So you want to lift a, how heavy you reckon the motor is with a 270 kg strap? You reckon that's alright?
I reckon she's rated. It's 3 seconds.
We'll give it a go. You gotta insert the butt.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, insert it. Something like that.
Sorry, Bella.
Oh yeah, put it in.
What's she stuck on?
Let's have a look under here.
Lift the box up.
I don't want to fucking smash that dent.
No, just lift it up. Yeah,
More.
bit more. Keep going.
Nah, you're gonna hit the subframe.
Yeah.
Right, now.
Keep going.
Yeah, go.
Yep, go now.
Let it down
Yeah, you should be right now. He's clear. Oh, there goes the front of the car. What's the G code, mate? Jesus. Hey!
Hey!
Yeah, she should be right. What are we hitting over here?
Earth cable.
Oh no, it was just the
Yeah,
canister.
hello.
What?
Your train fucking line still connected, bro. No?
No.
Just call on the front line. Okay. Hey, pull this out.
What?
That train line.
Well, you need to go back.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. No, we're right. We got it out.
We're right, just pull it
Yeah,
up.
she's right, mate. She's right.
Pull it up.
Hey,
Hey!
hey, here she comes. There she is. The mighty RB fucking 30.
Another dirty for the bin.
No, not for the bin, for the build. It's for the build, mate.
No, it's not. That'll make it white out.
Lovely. Jack it up, mate. Are you jacking it up or are you jacking it off?
Fucking get some.
Come get some.
What's that?
There you go, that's how you remove a motor in a short video. I didn't show you much, but that's how you do it.
Go down before you kill someone, Jamie.
Have a go at it. There she is. Round 2. Mighty 30.
What's that?
That's not very nice, mate. What's it gonna do?
Yeah, it's pissing out, bro. It's already leaking. Push it in properly. Your butt plug's already leaking, dude.
Oh shit! Fucking mess! It's gonna be a fucking mess everywhere.
It's still going better than last time. Last time it was tranny fluid everywhere.
Yeah, she'll be
It
fucking.
covered from there to the door.
Imperial box box, 1/16.
Yeah. What's this, Smoko, is it?
Looks like it.
This work.
Smoko. So, here she is. Look at that. What of fuck all going on. I had to pull the box off because no one else helped me. At all. You did tap the butt plug back in. Now, we're going to put this dog on here and just send it. We're going to take him out and we're going to put it on the stand. So here she is. Let's put her on the stand, boys. Go and get your
Bro,
bolts.
I swear to God, see this tag here?
What tag?
Bro, this tag, I swear to God, is 6 months of the 7th year, South Africa.
What?
The 67S deserves more than this.
So you're gonna put some lubricant on there? Because apparently you need to lube your shaft up. Is that right?
Just fucking sick. 67S.
Is that what you reckon? Yep.
These are real good ones. These are called sinkers.
Sinkers.
Put them in.
Give you some
come out.
fucking lead.
A couple of
Some
lead
lead in your
balls.
pencil.
And this is a methamphetamine hook.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, the rusty fish hook.
Anyway, we're playing with motors, not fucking fishing gear. Look at that, there's the donk. There she is. Stop spinning on my engine, you piece of shit.
She's alright.
Her bib's coming out a bit there. Are you full Lebo or just Greek? Fuck, I nearly lost your fingers in the back of that.
Mate, my mum's Lebo, my cousin's Bosnian, and my brother's fucking
Russian,
Arabic.
Russian, Pakistani, Jafani. Well, look at that.